Guess what I just got in the mail? I got the ultimate secret to summertime deliciousness. My very good friends from New Orleans just sent me a gift set of Funky Good Time handcrafted herb and spice blends. Now, being from New Orleans, I love to cook and I love to eat. And the spice is everything. And look at this, I have everything I need. Blackened seasoning, sage garlic, rosemary garlic lemon zest, beef love rub, ginger, and pepper chive. And wow, look at this. It comes with these really nice peppercorn and salt grinders. Oh, and look, here's my flavored oil. I have thyme infused olive oil. That's perfect. I love the taste of thyme. I put it on everything. It even comes with a Funky Good Time apron. This is going to look good on me. Now I look like a boss cook, right? All right, now I am all set. To have all these spices mixed up for me, this will be a big time saver when I'm cooking. I just can't wait to try this on my food, but luckily I don't have to wait because we are on our way to a barbecue and I know they're gonna have all of these spices here. So let's go. I am at my friend's house. We're about to have a barbecue with all those great spices. Like I said, look at all the spices. They're preparing the food now. And I came early just so that I could get the recipes and see exactly which spices they're using to create this delicious food. For the shrimp dish, they simmered sun-dried tomato infused olive oil and cilantro, garlic, and lime seasoning. Then they added it to and brushed the seasoning on this pineapple vegetable kebab. And I tell you, this was delicious. Everyone was eating this up. They also used sage infused oil and rib rub for their grilled corn. And they used ginger pepper chive with cream cheese, cheddar, and bacon to make the most delicious stuffing you ever tasted for their jalapeno poppers. For the salmon, they used rosemary infused olive oil and blackened seasoning. Look at this on a cedar plank. It came out perfectly flaky and delicious. The chicken was also rubbed with blackened season and the ribs rib rub. But oh my God, this brisket, I cannot stop thinking about this brisket. It was seasoned with beef love rub and coarse brown pepper. Just delicious perfection. Everything was so good. We were all coming back for more. This is a secret to deliciousness. So good.
That's what I come for. Really? I didn't come for nothing else. I just come for the spices. Funky Good Time. It's cool with me.
Want the secret to deliciousness? Well, go to funkygoodtime.com for the best in infused oils and handcrafted herb and spice blends.